Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Now this unboxing is going to be of this TP-Link AX1800 Access Point. So let's go right ahead and take a look at this. So here's the front of the box, as you can see. Now you could go right ahead and see that this actually does run at 1201 megabytes per second when you're using 5G. When you're using 2.4, you're actually going to be running 574. We do have mesh technology on this one, so most likely I'm thinking if you have like multiple access points that can actually run this technology, they can actually communicate with each other. And from what I understand is, I guess if one of them goes down, all of the other ones will actually start communicating. So I guess it's like redundancy at that point. But I will not be using this technology for the setup that I have going on. We do have centralized management, gigabit Ethernet, PoE plus port. So, of course, this is an access point. And seamless roaming. So what's included in the box? So, of course, we do have the access point itself right here. Installation guide, power adapter, and ceiling and wall mount kit. So most likely this one does not have a PoE injector, so just FYI, if you want to do a PoE injector, you'll have to buy it separately. And here is a shot of the back of the box. Right, opening this puppy up, let's see what we got. First thing we get greeted with is, of course, the access point itself. So here's the front, and then here is the back. So we do have a reset button. Let's see if I can focus there. We do have the power port, and then of course the Ethernet port right here. We have the power adapter. So there it is. Like I did say, this unit does not come with a PoE injector, so if you need one, you're probably gonna have to buy it separately. And we have some hardware here. So if you're gonna be mounting it, of course, you know, to a fake ceiling, or if you're going to be putting it in sheetrock, you can go right ahead and use, of course, this hardware. And we have, of course, some documentation, licensing notice, quick installation guide, of course, so if you need it, you have it right there. And the last thing is going to be the actual mount itself. So there we go. So that is included on the kit. And like always, I really do hope you enjoyed the video, and we will catch you on the next one.